This is Arch Enemy versus Let's Duel. It's the same guy. It's Tim. Changes his Nexus name every 5 seconds. Alright, I'm ready.
Almost every duel.
I'm just gonna put like in brackets Tim. Oh no!
I go first. Ooh.
Where's the Nexus music?
Oh, Dark Magical.
Hold on, where's the Nexus music here? Oh, there it is. It's kicking in. This is the good one right here.
Oh.
I like the music. I don't like what you're playing.
Oh. You like that red eyes?
No. No, I don't.
I'm talking about Dragoon. I was talking about that alternate red eyes.
Oh, what?
Check my grave.
Yeah, it's okay. I like the old school, the OG ones. Dark Magician looks.
This deck plays the different artworks. How do you like my first open there?
Pretty good. 10 key. Oh. Ouch.
Someone activate Dragoon. I just killed your Golden Lord's attack ability into Dragoon.
Thoroughblade. Ball. Battle. Ball. Attack directly. In phase 2. Damn it, if I want to go to a 4 material.
I don't have a negate left.
Yeah,
So I don't have a negate left on him. So there's no point.
Exi Shock. 6 material Sky Thunder. Kokiyatsu. Tenendo. Magician's Rod. Effect alert. Your main phase target and
More so.
Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. This is by far my favorite Nexus music. the upbeat techno one.
I don't play Nexus music. I'm not a big fan of the music.
I don't think it's copywritten, so I'll use it in the videos. Yeah, we got the same one. We got the same one.
Wait on you.
I don't know if this is gonna sound okay in the video because you're playing the music and the music is playing in the background. That's super loud.
You bought?
Let's get one of those. You're gonna split someone or damn it. If there's one lightning storm, Kukiyatsu. I'll do your back row. Son of a if this face up card, oh, Eternal Soul's only face up. Oh.
Why do you think it's Eternal Soul face down?
If you would have activated it. Press 30. I'll do 3. Oh. Oh man.
Yeah,
oh, yeah, that's it, man. I would have went, I'm gonna Zeus it up. Thank you, Tim. Arch enemy? I can't even read. Comment, share, like, subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.